Okay, the next sum from your exercise 2.6, page number 98, the E1, I am giving the answers. There were 5,136 parcels in a courier office. The field boy collected 3,529 more. How many parcels are there in all? Okay, now here more itself is a keyword. Okay, if it is given more, that itself is a keyword for addition. Okay, and the common word, it is already here in all. So that also it shows it is addition. Okay, so in your book it is given only in all. Again there are many other keywords also is there where we can find it that it is an addition. I will give those words. Okay, these are the keywords. Now together, all together, more than, total, sum, greater than or larger than. No, see, these are the words you can find it in the last line. No, you have to find, mostly this will be in the last line where the question is asked. No, then you can find it that this problem is related to addition. Okay, again one more I want to say, this more than and greater than, larger than, these words. No, here if it is asked how much more than, how much more than, or how much greater than, how much larger than, if it comes, then that is subtraction. Okay, you must be careful. If this more than, this greater than, and this larger than, these words, if it comes along with how much more than, how much larger than, how much greater than, if it is joined with this word, if it comes, then that is subtraction, that is not addition. Okay, if it is not with this, without, see now here more is given, it is not with how much more than, not behind. Okay, how many, this is another sentence, how many. So if it is given how much more, if it is asked how much more, then it is subtraction, it is not addition. Okay, don't look alone the word more, you have to just look before more what word. If the word is there how much, then it is subtraction. Okay, so don't say that you told that these are the keyword, more than is a keyword, so I had added. You should not say. That's why I am giving you now itself. You must be careful. If the word how much comes, how much, then it is subtraction. That is not addition. Without how much, if these words comes, more than, greater than, larger than, and more, if these words comes, then you have to add. Okay, now let's write the statement. Okay, I have written the statement. Number of parcels in the office, in the courier office, how many parcels were there? 5,136. Okay, the equal sign is in the same line, you can see. Number of more parcels collected. How many more collected? 3,529. So this also digit should be arranged properly according to the places. Okay, after writing this, now you have to, this is addition, so you have to put plus symbol here. Don't forget that, you have to show that it is addition. Again, how many parcels are there in all? So the total number of parcels. Okay, total number of parcels equal to, you have to add now. See, the equal sign should be equal, and when you add and write also, the number should be written in its own places in order. Okay, now let's add 6 plus 9, 15. This is a double digit number. So you will write a single digit that is on the right side. That number you will write here. And the left side number you will carry to the next place here. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Since it is a single digit number, you can write as it is. 1 plus 5, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. That's all. There is no more carryover, only this much. Again, last you have to take and write the answer. Okay, I have completed with the answer. There are 8,665 parcels are there in all. Okay, this is the way you will complete the answer. This is a rough work, you have to write only in the rough, not here. Okay. Okay, now let me read the exercise and explain you. Nadir, Asha and Preeti bought 425, 168 and 392 cards respectively. How many cards did they buy in all? So in all, this is a keyword for addition. So directly you can add. You don't need even to understand the story, what it is. So directly you can, by looking at this word, you can add it. Okay, you can write Nadir bought this many cards. Asha bought 168 cards. Preeti bought 392 cards. And you will add and write the total number of cards. Okay, again one more thing I want to tell. See here it is cards, no? So you can write 425 cards. And suppose if it is rupees, then you have to mention the symbol rupee symbol. Okay. If it is nothing at all, then you can just write the number. If it is rupees, you have to mention it rupees. If it is meter, then you have to mention that unit, no? Next one, a godown has 2753 sacks of rice and 4525 sacks of wheat. How many sacks are there in all? So here also in all, it is a keyword for addition. Next one, a post office has 4239 postcards and 1528 inland letters. How many postcards and inland letters are there in all? So in all, this is a keyword for addition. Again, there are 757 games on Raman's PC and 1265 games on Shaila's PC. How many games are there in all? So in all, it is a keyword for addition. So whatever I am telling you, can underline and just you can write it is plus, so that when you revise the lesson for exam, it will be easy for you. Next one, this one just I had given already, so I need not explain. So next two I will be explaining now. Okay, next one, there are 2565 men, 1839 women and 2066 children in a village. What is the population of the village? So what is the population? So this also, it is a keyword for the addition only. What is the total population they are supposed to ask, but the total word is not given. So here itself you can understand easily, total population only they are asking. So you can write men equal to number of men, number of women, number of children. So total population equal to, you can add and write. Again G1, a garment shop has 1534 shirts and 1493 trousers. How many clothes does it have in all? So here also the word in all, it is a keyword for addition. Okay, now these three problems from the check yourself, page number 101, these three problems. See, after finishing this exercise, that is the last exercise, you will be writing check yourself. The next day I will be giving homework. So those who can complete along with that, you can complete these problems. Ramesh has rupees 6125 in his bank account. He deposits 1693 more. How much money is there in his bank now? See here the word more and now. So this more and now, it shows it is the keyword for addition. Okay, already I told, no, more if that word comes means it is asking you to add. Okay, and here one more thing, the unit of measurement, what is given? This is a unit of rupees, no, rupees, that measure, that unit you have to mention it, that symbol, no. Just you cannot write Ramesh has equal to 6125, you cannot write. It is not just a number, it is a rupee, so you have to mention it with the rupee symbol. So here deposit equal to rupees 1093, there also you have to write the rupee symbol. Again money in the bank equal to the total amount, then there also when you write, you have to write with this symbol, don't write just the number. This measurement also you have to mention it, what it is, the symbol you have to mention it. Next one, Gulshan traveled 4171 km by train and 2065 km by car. How much distance did he travel in all? So in all, it is a keyword for addition here, so you can add it. And here the unit you see kilometer, the measurement, no, the unit of measurement, that you have to mention it there. When you write this number, behind that number you have to mention. Rupees you will mention it in front of the number, and the distance you will mention it at the back of the number. Again next one, Ghanshyam owned 2 apple orchards. From one orchard he got 4938 apples and from the other 2456 apples. How many apples did he get in all? So here also in all, this is a keyword for addition. Okay, so you can directly add and write. So this all addition problem, and mostly you have the keyword in all. Again more, that word also came in 2 places. Okay, other than that, some of other keyword also I have given. So I won't be giving the same problems in the exam. So I will be changing and giving. So you must know all those keywords, no, when you write in the exam. So remember those keywords. If it comes, you have to add. Thank you.